Dear finance professionals and students, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing chartered accountant. Daily news and updates for 23rd March 2024. India has asked multilateral development banks to share their project implementation expertise and help draw the roadmap for becoming a developed nation by 2047. The Finance Ministry held a meeting with multilateral lenders and sought their inputs on what it termed a Budget Plus and Finance Plus strategy, which would essentially cover the entire spectrum of project execution and go beyond just planning and financing. Leading non-banking finance companies flush with funds from global and local private equity firms are increasingly poaching CEO and CXO talent from large Indian banks amid a rise in loan demand, higher credit spending, and large-scale digitisation drive. And they are luring bankers who have worked with large banks such as ICICI Bank, Axis Bank, HDFC Bank, IndusInd Bank and Kotak Mahindra Bank for a decade or more with bigger designations and roles and hefty pay packages. US-based Dell's memo to the effect that those working remotely won't get promotions shows how the pendulum has swung from one end to another across companies. From ardent support for work from home to championing work from office. While the pandemic necessitated a shift to remote working over the last year and more, companies have swung from flexible to firm on their return to office stance, even informing work from home holdouts of stern action. Meta, Amazon and Tata Consultancy Services are among those that have warned workers of consequences for failure to comply with return to office directives. ICAI releases mock test paper Series 2 for CA Final and Intermediate May 2024 exams. The CBDT notified changes to the Form 3CD. The changes duly include disclosure of Section 43B subclause H disallowance under Clause 26. However, Clause 22 pertaining to interest restrictions under the MSME Development Act was not amended. The clause is now amended to include disclosure of the amount disallowed under Section 43BH along with the amount of interest inadmissible under Section 23 of the Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises Development Act 2006. Yenmo, a platform providing instant loans against mutual funds, announced it has completed its latest funding round, securing $500,000 in investment from Silicon Valley-based startup accelerator Y Combinator. The funding from Y Combinator is anticipated to play a crucial role in Yenmo's journey to promote financial inclusion in India.
This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.